Hey guys, it's me, No Arc, and today I'm showing you how to get the monkey around or something like that. Egg, I don't know what it's called, monkeying around egg. You need to get a banana. Okay, so then, okay, we need to get past this stuff. So you need to get past this to this, and this. So you have to still have this, and so you have to follow every step I do. So you have to pass through. I'm sure that yeah, and you see here, this is where you get the banana, and back here, there's probably a monkey. And there's a monkey. There's a monkey. Look, monkey. See? I got it. Simple. That's how you get it. Easy. Easy steps. And it's very easy and simple. You just need to find the monkey like right here. It needs to be right here, and then you have to be holding the banana. And it'll come down, and you have to wait. Then you'll get it. I hope you enjoyed. And if you see last video, I show you how to get this. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace and subscribe, please. I'll post more videos of Egg Hunt 2018. Bye!